Single sign-on is an authentication system that allows users to access multiple applications using the same username and password. Here are some applications that can be accessed using single sign-on account. There are SSO Framework, Gracias, Microsoft 365 or Microsoft Education, Teleconnect, and My Telemobile. The first services or application you can access is SSO Framework, which is a collection of various applications that are available so that they can be used or accessed with just one-time login. To access it, please visit the website satu.telkomuniversity.ac.id and click Connect with Microsoft 365 button. Please log in with your SSO account, enter your email or username, and add domain at student.telkomuniversity.ac.id and enter your SSO password that has been created previously. After that, you will be directed to activate MFA for the security of your Microsoft account. For your information, MFA or multi-factor authentication is authentication methods that require the user to provide two or more verification methods to access Office application. This will help keep user accounts and the university secure by preventing hackers from gaining access to private information, limited and confidential. And you can also scan this QR code to view the full Microsoft authentication guidance. After you activate MFA, you will be prompted to enter the code that appears on the Authenticator application. Here is the page that will appear after you successfully activate MFA. The following is a view of the SSO Framework homepage and will display a list of applications that can be accessed while being a Telkom University student. The next services is Gracias or Integrated Academic Information System, which is academic and non-academic portal to serve the needs of students and lecturers online. To access Gracias, please visit the website igracias.telkomuniversity.ac.id. Click the login menu at the top of the page, then select Student or Mahasiswa. After that, please enter your SSO username and password and click Login. This is a dashboard view of Gracias application where there are many menus that can be explored to find out student academic information such as student grades or schedules. You can select Eng in the top right corner to change Gracias language to English. For your account security, please enable MFA or multi-factor authentication for your Gracias account first. Through account out to step settings, apps out setting menu. Here is a complete guidance for how to activate MFA for Gracias and guidance for Gracias login guide after MFA activation. After Gracias, there are also other services that you can use, that is Microsoft Education or Microsoft 365. To access these services, please visit the website office.com, then click Sign In. To view all available Microsoft applications, please click the All Apps menu in the upper left corner of the page. You can also install the desktop version of Microsoft application on your local device. Here is a complete installation guide on Windows and macOS device. The next service is My Telemobile, which is a mobile application to support learning or teaching activities in Telkom University. The first thing to do is install the My Telemobile application on your mobile device. You can download via App Store or Google Play. Here is the page that will appear after opening the My Telemobile application. Please log in with your SSO account. You can scan this QR code to view the full of my telemobile guidance. After that, we also provide internet facilities that can be used in the Telkom University area. That is Teleconnect Wi-Fi. This internet service can be used for mobile and desktop device by logging in using SSO account. Here is an example of using Teleconnect on a desktop device. Please select SSID or network name Teleconnect, click Connect and enter your SSO account, username and password, and then click OK. You can scan this QR code to view the full of Teleconnect guidance.